Kaela, we are going to do a Shopkins unboxing video, season 2.
Shopkins in a basket.
Let's begin. We'll just rip it. This is my first one, opening one. Oh my gosh, it was harder than I thought it would be.
Whoa, whoa. Okay, take your time. Let's see the basket.
So adorable. It's pink.
Okay, so as you do this, explain what it is that you get in a Shopkins. Okay, this is, I forget what they call it. It's a Shopkins list, and it shows like all the rare ones. So what exactly is a Shopkin?
A Shopkin is a minifigure and it's really girly.
Okay, let's start opening this one. Open the first one.
Okay, the first one.
It's a churro.
A what?
It's a churro.
Hold on, I gotta focus on there. What? Is that like a real churro? What is that?
It has a face on it.
It's like a little figure. That's
Let me
awesome.
try it. Chocolatey.
Nice.
Let's look at the next one. So this is like getting a blind box for those vinyl figures, but much smaller. And they're in a shopping cart. Nice, okay. Now number 2. Okay, don't move the knife. Don't move the scissors right
Pop it out. Pop it out.
Oh, what is that?
It's a...
Is that an onion?
I think it's an onion.
Did you cut it?
No.
What is it?
It's an onion!
Hold on, I gotta zoom in on there. Hold on, you can't zoom in. Hold on, put it down a little because it's focusing on your face. Hold on. What is that? Is she crying?
Yeah, because the onions make you cry.
You know they're the size of. Put the other one next to it so we can see both of them. So let's move from there.
Oh.
Over here. There we go. So there are the 2 right there.
And then we're gonna find out their names.
Oh, they have names?
Yeah. See, that's what the brochure is for.
So these are the 2 right here.
Okay.
Sure, that's not like corn. Is this like supposed to be like a corn on the cob?
Let me see.
I don't know what that is.
Oh my gosh. Okay, can I look at all the ones? There's fruit and veggies. There's home wards, bakery, and sweet treats. We got a sweet treat. Her name is Cherry Churro, and she is a rare.
Oh, she's a rare?
Uh-huh. And then the onion. Oh, her name is Garlic Rose, and she is a common.
We have 2, what do they call them?
Shopkins.
Shopkins. And I guess you put them in here and that's how you save them. Nice. So.
Thank you for watching the Shopkin unboxing video, and see you next time.